So I've been getting into the shop a little bit more lately, and I ended up picking up a nice set of Bluetooth hearing protection so I can listen to music while I'm protecting my ears. Needed to hang them up, charge them someplace, so I thought I'd put them onto my new French Cleat system that I'm putting in the shop, and I found a neat bracket. Stick around and see how they all go together. I'm Ron, and this is my shop. So as I've said, I think a couple times before, I've started getting back into my woodworking shop as well, and I picked up a nice set of hearing protection with Bluetooth connectivity, and I have an Alexa out there, so it makes it nice to listen to music while I'm doing whatever I'm doing out there. So I wanted to hang them up, and I ended up finding I was going to design one, and then I always pop onto Thingiverse just to save some time, and found the perfect hearing protection holder, headset holder, and it is going to fit perfect. Ended up printing it out on the CR-10 and used Maker Geek's Raptor yellow PLA. Prints at 145 with a 60 on the bed, and it really turned out nice, as you can see. I mean, it's beautiful print, no flaws whatsoever, gorgeous first layer. So there you go. The idea is it has just one screw, screws into the wall, and I'm actually out in my shop building a French Cleat system. I use them for hanging cabinetry and stuff in the shop, and I got this far wall because it's kind of a one stall garage thing, and I've been putting French Cleat system up there, and this was the perfect thing. So I plan to use 3D printing actually a lot for the shop. It'll be interesting to see how to merge the two together, but anyways, I just thought I'd show you. Let's run out to the shop real quick, and I'll show you how I put it together and hang it on the wall. See you there. So this is the bracket. I was going to just go ahead and show you what I'm going to do with it. And of course, welcome to one part of my shop. The rest of the shop's that way. Not there's that much of it, but this is just kind of me integrating 3D printing along with one of my other hobbies, which is woodworking. So in this case, I'm in the process of putting up a French Cleat system. All these shelving or all these cabinets are hanging by French Cleat as well, but I have a bunch of hand tools, power tools, and stuff that I want to hang up, and that's how I'm going to do it. Ended up printing this, and now we're going to mount this on this, and this is going to stick on there. So here we go. First French Cleat on this. The awesome part about this is if you end up wanting to move stuff around, that way I can plug it in, plug it in, plug it in. There you go. Let's go back to the shop. So now you've seen how it all went together. It's going to work really, really nice. I like the French Cleat system as well. I've got obviously a lot to do. I've seen it all over the YouTube. There's tons and tons of people that are doing it, so this is by far nothing new. But it's kind of neat, little projecty things. You're going to hang up all the power tools and all the things. You just kind of grab the stuff you want to hang, and you figure it out and use scrap wood, and boom, organization. Gotta love it. So there you go. It was fun to do, fun to merge the two together, and I hope you liked it. Again, that was done on the CR-10 with Maker Geek's Raptor PLA. Prints at 245. It's kind of a higher end plastic, and it seems to be very, very solid. It's got good weight capabilities. So, all right, have a great night and print all you can.